Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. Today we have a little bonus Thrifty Canucks video today. I am going to show you some stuff that my sister got.
Hello!
Patsy's visiting me from Alberta and we've been doing lots and lots of thrifting. So here is kind of part of it. My niece loves doing diamond art, so we've been finding lots of diamond art in the thrift shops and at the Lions. So this is just some, well, I guess this is all of the diamond arts that we have gotten so far. We still have more thrifting to do. I've got like 9 bags to do videos of, so. But yeah, so if you like diamond art, you'll probably like this bit of the video. Okay, now we have a bunch of items that she picked up. She does themed treasure boxes. She makes the box out of plastic canvas, and then she just fills it up with little toys. So they're kind of mostly kid related, but I mean, adults are free to buy them as well. But these are just some of the stuff that she's picked up at the thrift stores. These things up here, the sticker maker and the envelope punch board, I gave to her because I just don't use them. But she has all these great goodies, so, you know, she'll do like a Paw Patrol one or a car one or, you know, just themed for different things. Oh, there's her hand. Hi, Patsy. Batman. So, just some fun goodies. We'll try and post some pictures of some of the stuff that she makes. I think I've got her convinced to actually put stuff into my Facebook group for people to see. Because in my group, as long as it's crafting related, I'm okay with it. Okay, now she's going to change all this over to something else, so I'll be right back. So now we have a bunch of plastic canvases, which is mostly what my sister does. She also makes journals out of the plastic canvas, more like a journal cover. So she's been finding a whole bunch of plastic canvas and wools to use. There's always tons of wool at the thrift stores, but she likes a certain weight. So, but she's managed to find a few goodies for that and a few things that were kind of cool. Or this bag, it's got like baby things in it, pins and soothers and all this fun stuff. So Hazel, if you're watching this, I got a little bag of these for you, being that you're the baby journal queen. But just some fun stuff and some little odds and ends, like the little boogly eyes and stuff. These were fun to find. Many years ago, my mom and I would make Christmas ornaments, and we made so many that had these little teddy bears on it. I used to order them from a wholesale place in Vancouver, so we would order like, 144 of them at a time type thing, and we always used them all up. So that was kind of a fun memory to find those. But yes, lots of plastic canvas. I'll be honest and say plastic canvas is one thing that I do not enjoy doing. But this is cute. Didn't see that. It's like a little ladybug bag. That's actually cute. But yeah, just some fun little pieces. We'll see what she throws on the bed next. She's still got...
I think that's it.
Oh, she said that's it. But she's got lots of bags over there yet. But that's okay. So this, like I say, this is a little Thrifty Canucks bonus video. And we'll see you all soon. Bye for now.